Hi, I'm Fathima Dilna. I'm a Python developer. In the last video, we set up our Python. So today we are gonna write our first code. Before that, I have to tell you something. Here I wrote two things, user and developer. User means a person who uses the machines or softwares that we have coded. And developer means programmer. And one more thing I have to tell you is output. An output to show something to the user. Example, I want to show to the user this message. Something went wrong, please try again. So I am giving output to the user. I hope you clear what is an output. Now let's look how to show an output in programming. For that we have to write a code. The code is print. After writing print, open the parenthesis. Here you can either put double quote or single quote. Then write your message. So now let's write the code in our Pycharm editor. Open Pycharm. Now I will show you how to create a new file. For that, right-click your Hello World folder. Then click New. Then click Python file. Enter a name for your file. I'm gonna write Hello World program. Here I will give a tip. When we code in Python, we won't put space between two words. To separate two words, we either put an underscore or make second word first letter capital, like this. I'm gonna put underscore. Then click enter. Now we created a new Python file. Let's write our first code. Write print. It will show automatically print, so just press enter. Inside the parenthesis, put double quote or single quote. Then write your message. I will write Hello World. Now let's run our program. Click Run. You can see what you wrote inside the parenthesis. This is how you can show an output to the user.